Hello, I'm going to be giving you a whistle stop tutorial on how to do star stitch. I use UK crochet terms and this will help you build out your lanyard, which is the free pattern that is on my website right now. So you need multiples of 2, however long you want your lanyard or however wide you want your blanket or project or whatever you're going to be doing this with. So I'm just going to do 16. So I can show you what I'm doing. 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfection. Hokey cokey. So we are going to be going straight into the second chain from your hook here. Grab a piece, pull it through. So you've got 2. You're going to do the same with the next stitch. You're going to pop it through, grab a piece, pull it back through. So you've got 3. And the same with the next. 4, 5, until you've got 6 on your hook. Give them a little jiggle. Make sure that hook is facing down so it's a nice easy slide through. Then you're going to chain 1 to secure. There you go. That's the first star of your star stitch. Now what you've created here, you've got an eye, you've got a leg of your star, you've got a join where I think the star stitch joins to the rest of the project. So that's the kind of terminology I'm going to be using now. So we're going to pop your hook in the eye of the stitch, grab a piece, put it back through. Where the leg is next here, if you see I hold my work like this so it actually looks like it's the next stitch. Pop that through, grab a piece, into the join, which is the next one here. 4, and then 2 chains. You're going to grab 1, 2, grab a piece, put it through. So again, you've got 6 on your hook, and we're going to do exactly the same again. Grab a piece, make sure that head is facing down, pull all the way through. Grab a piece. That's it. Just chain to secure. And we're going to do the same again. Into the eye. Grab a piece, pull it through. Into the leg. Grab a piece, pull it through. Into the join. Grab a piece, pull it through. Into the next chain. Grab a piece, pull it through. Grab a piece, pull it through. And you've got 6 on your hook there. Again, give them a little jiggle. Just so you can see a bit of air between this, so it makes it really easy for you to pull through, because you don't need it to be stressful for yourself. Otherwise it's not going to be an enjoyable stitch. Chain to secure it, and same again, into the eye, into the leg. Oh, I've pulled that leg a bit tight there. Into the join, into the stitch, into the stitch. So you've got 6 on your hook, pull it all the way through. Grab a piece, pull it through to secure. That's your chain. Okay. Into the eye, into the leg, into the join, into the chain, into the chain. You should have 6 on your hook. Give them a little shimmy. Grab a piece, pull it all the way through to secure, and then chain 1. Can you see how they're building out really nicely? These are the bottom halves of our stars. And then the next row is nice and simple the whole way along. So we're going to do the same again here. Grab a piece through the eye, through the leg, through the join, chain, chain. Right, there we go. There's 6 on your hook. Grab a piece, pull through all of them. Okay, and chain 1 to secure. Now, in this last chain here that we've already been into, I put a half treble in the end here, because not only do I love a half treble, it's about the right height for the rest of this project, you see, so it flattens that edge out nicely. Now we're going to flip your work over. I'm going to pick up those bits that I've just made that all splitty. You are going to chain 1, and you're going to do 2 half trebles into this first eye here. You can check them on the other side where they are. So Most people do double crochet on the way back. I prefer a half treble. It makes it nice and tall. You can do 2 half trebles in each eye. Whoop, I'm going to do that one again. In each eye of your stitch on the way back. So that's 2 for me there. And the next one's there. You might have to flip it over just so you, because this is the right side of the project. I say that with inverted commas, of course. It's a bit easier to see on the other side where your eye is, so you just might want to pop it over to check. 2 half trebles in there. You can of course do double crochet along here, 2 double crochet into each eye. I just feel like this is the half treble is the right length for the other stitches you've just done, and it doesn't squash them down too much. Okay, and we're going to go half treble into the 2 half trebles into the next eye and all the way along. It's nice and easy, the second row. A little twist in my yarn then. 2 half trebles in each eye the whole way back along. Now, if you're doing my lanyard pattern, this is where we end. We just do 1 row across, 1 row 1, and then 1 row back. But if you wanted to continue this on, you've done your 2 half trebles there. Then you just pop your hook, and I would do another half treble just in that first chain of the previous row for your height, and then chain 2, and then you can start your star stitch again. So then you'd start your going into this one. Actually no, you go into this one, the second one from your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'd see we'd start again on that round, pull through, and you'd start going again. So there we go. That's your little whistle stop tour into star stitch. I hope that's helpful.